Nature is our inspiration, a font of strength, longevity, resilience, beauty. Nature always finds a way to support the strength and beauty of its creations, to find sunlight, to draw water, and water, liquids in nature, always find their way. So nature inspired us to find solutions, to get bone to grow like roots through a porous substrate. If we could promote that natural bone growth between the existing bone and the implant by creating a surface with the correct energy and roughness, then we could create an implant that would increase the number of successful surgeries, even when conditions were less than optimal. Other methods don't allow for the control at the nano level and the correct surface energy that we were looking for. 3D printing technology would be our solution. For the first time, we are working from scratch, creating a form from titanium dust in a sequential layering process that allows for unprecedented precision. The outcome is an implant with a hydrophilic surface that enhances osseointegration as never before. 3D printing means we are achieving successful restoration results not only in standard cases, but in complicated, compromised cases as well. We found what we were looking for: the technological solution to simulate nature, to create strength, longevity, resilience, and beauty. A new generation of implants.